Welcome to this DCP Web Top 5 Free Stock Image Websites. If you're looking to spice up your website with new images or improve your graphic artwork, then why not check out these stock websites where you can download images for free. Number 1 on our list, Unsplash.com. Looking for free stock images? Why not check out Unsplash.com. Here you can find a wide range of images on different subject areas. You can search here, so let's take a look at business, and here we can see loads of different stock images we can download for free. Simply click on the image you like and it will show you a larger version, and then click the free download green button and download the image. You can use these on your website, on your graphic design projects, so have fun searching through Unsplash.com and find some great images that you like as well. Number 2 on our list, Negativespace.co. Negativespace.co has a wide range of images on different subject areas. You can navigate the website by searching here for a specific image, or you can check out the images listed on the home page. These are broken down into different categories. Let's take a look at transport. Here, if you like this specific image, you can simply scroll down and click the free download button here. You can see more related images here, and these ones are related to Shutterstock, so these are paid images. So why not check out some of these images? Simply click on them. If you like the image, click the free download button. Remember, this top left section are paid images, the ones below are for free. Number 3 on our list, PicJumbo.com. PicJumbo.com has a great range of images which you can download for free. Let's take a look at the home page here. Here you can see some popular images. You can click here to show more popular images. After clicking, it will load and show you some more images. You can also scroll to the top and search for specific images here. If you click on a specific image you like, let's take this strawberries for example, you'll see the main image here, and you can click the free download button right here to download that particular image. You can also search by tags here. Number 4 on our list, Stockpic.com. Stockpic.com has a great range of images which you can download for free. Let's take a look at the home page. As we scroll down, we can see some images here. We can also see more images here that we can select and download for free. You can search for images at the top right here. Let's scroll down and find something we like. New Year's celebration with fireworks in Vegas. Let's click on that picture. Here we can see the picture. We can click the free download here. Let's try and download this image. The image has been downloaded. Let's check the quality. Here you can see the quality is great. It's high resolution and looks really clear, and I like this image. It's really nice and colourful. So why not check out some free images on Stockpic.com. Number 5 on our list, KaboomPics.com. Looking for high quality free stock images for your graphic design projects? Why not check out KaboomPics.com. Here on the home page you can see various images you can download for free. Below you can see groups and collections of images. Let's take a look at the modern white building collection. Let's click see more. Here you can see images based on the same theme. This will help you keep continuity on your graphic design work. Let's go back to the home page. I'm going to search for people here. Here you can see more great free stock images you can download. Let's take a look at one image and try and download. After clicking on the image, you'll see a larger version. There's 3 options to download. You can download the original, a medium size, or a custom size by entering in the width. Let's click free download here for the original. Here we can see the image on the desktop. Really high quality and looks good.